Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, you will learn how to configure the line element inside Cheetah. Let's get started. Lines can be used in so many ways. Oftentimes, we use lines to separate sections within our website, and/or we use them to highlight and point to a certain area or object inside our web page. Let's go up to the top here and select Elements. Let's go down to the bottom and select Lines. Now from here, you have two options. You have a vertical line and a horizontal line. Let's go ahead and start with the horizontal line. So once your line element is selected, you can go over to the right and make adjustments to your line by going through each one of these properties. So let's start with size. You can simply go in and make the adjustment of the width. You can go down here and adjust the thickness, which is under border. So if we select the drop down and adjust the thickness here, we can also go in and change the color. And next you can go in and change the line type. So right now we have a solid line. You can go in and change it to dotted, dashed, double. Let's go back and keep it to solid. You can also add an arrow to the line. Now what side do we want to add the arrow to? Simply click on the arrow left drop down and then go up to the top, select active, and then go in and increase your arrow size. You could then go down here and change the color. Let's try to get as close as we can. And then you could do the exact same thing to the right. You can add a shadow, you can add animation, tag configuration. Now you can also rotate your line by bringing up the rotate handle. And if you move your mouse over to the right or left by holding down the left button, you'll get a rotation. Now the same thing goes for your vertical line. And that is how you configure the line element inside Cheetah. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.